Affiliate email marketing can be one of the most powerful ways to drive consistent conversions, but only if your emails are built the right way. A high-converting affiliate email isn't about pushing links nonstop. It's about understanding your audience, building trust, and delivering real value before you ever ask for a click. The most successful affiliate emails start with a clear structure. It begins with a strong subject line that sparks curiosity or highlights a clear benefit, followed by preview text that encourages the open. Inside the email, personalization matters. Speak directly to your reader, address their problems, and show them you understand their needs. Great affiliate emails focus on psychology. People buy when they feel understood, when they trust the sender, and when the solution feels relevant to their situation. That's why storytelling works so well. Sharing real experiences, case studies, or results helps your message feel authentic rather than salesy. Adding ethical urgency like limited time offers and social proof such as testimonials can further boost conversions. Another key is balance. Follow the 80-20 rule. Provide value most of the time and promote strategically. Whether you're using a product review, problem solution, or case study email, always make sure your call to action is clear, simple, and benefit-driven. Finally, don't forget optimization. Test subject lines, track open rates, clicks, and conversions, and refine your email sequences over time. The more data-driven your approach, the better your results will be. If you want smarter tools and proven strategies to scale your affiliate email marketing, visit MailerRocket.com. And if this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more actionable marketing tips.